workout is you super dope. Yeah, and we're here. We're gonna go to... sige today?
Upon.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Upon.
Hey guys, this is my new...
Hey guys, this is zboymntbn up for another video. And today's video... And I'm with my siblings! Say hi! Say hi! Say hi! She's got a new hair.
Is my hair nice?
I cannot appreciate your hair, girl.
Thanks.
What's up? We're traveling. World. It's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful Knock knock.
Who's there?
Versace. Versace on the floor. Okay, wale. What do you think is that, Jealous? Lang of Divines.
I think it's something like, it's a grave among people or something. Shitty. Look at it.
Yeah, another ukay.
So yeah, we're going out to Short because we're gonna have...
Hey, our first stop over is my mom.
Sending a church me. Mom, why you always look at the camera like it's a peace sign?
What?
Mom always look at the camera like that.
Oh, you read the print? Yo, picture sa draya.
Yeah, gonna take pictures with this VRD stuff.
Oh my god, they're connected to my color palette. Hello.
Yeah, I'm with my sister Jaris.
Yeah.
So there's their gym. And I'm all din ko my sister going, oh, I love their church.
Where are mom? Where are they? We didn't know this place was up.
Ito na. Oh, this...
Pipila man ako paliton di.
Ano sa Jaris?
Ikaw yung bumulak ko kuya, pakita rin.
Ako daw.
Video man eh. Ano sa man din na diri?
Where are they?
Cotton vlog. Sige. Good evening po. Hey guys, so we just finished. We go to the church and now we are traveling again. We're talking about the stay here because the lighting is so good.
Wow. Anago?
Yeah, we're talking about the
Anago,
MMK. MMK, we haven't watched MMK Inegu and Maras.
Who tell you it's Anago?
Inegu? Yeah, and still traveling. Jikel said Inegu.
What's that?
He said that words in my Okay, so we're here. Fighting is on the vlog. Hi guys, we are now here at Tania Village with my fam. Me. Hi guys, I'm gonna scare my sister Jeres kay nasa diri sa car. Let's go.
Oh, stop calling me!
Okay. I'm with my sister Jeres and we're gonna do the challenge. There is an also thing sa kanang Facebook nga. So they butangan nila kanang place. And there's something like Korea and Japan. So that's it. So post a picture and then we're gonna do the challenge in a video. So yeah, I'm with my sister Jeres and ito mahaton. Sige Jeres.
Sama, it's your first time watching.
Korea. 1, 2, 3, go. Next, Japan. Just made yourself imagine what's happening in Japan. 1, 2, 3, go.
No, Japan.
Yeah, Japan is something like that. What else? USA. Say 1, 2, 3.
Di ko ingana.
So next is Philippines. Dili na to buhaton ko na itong judgment mo type sa Philippines. Ito mo i-bring down dito ang atong country. Lain ang pamagimas nindot sa Philippines. Good. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm just joking. So maudyo din sa Philippines. Sige, 1, 2, 3, go. Hi guys! So I got my presents from my uncle. So it is a Black Knight. This is my favorite perfume.
What is that?
Ano? What the hell?
Ito. So spotted, girl.
Yeah, this is a Black Knight.
Look at her face. Look at her. Lalahira lagi ka to sa una naman yan.
Wow. Nakakawa ko yung grabe sa mga.
Ito yung buwang eh.
So yeah. And another... Asa na ablehan?
Sure, why not?
Okay, let's open this one.
Hey guys, this is zboymntbn. Joking, I'm not zboymntbn. I don't have any channel on YouTube and stuff. Just joking. So yeah, I'm the videographer about Zboy now, right? Because how could he do it to his little sister? Joking. So yeah, this is his present from my uncle because my uncle is from Saudi Arabia, and he's just going here for some things. So yeah, this is his present. Let's see Dark Knight thing in here. You see a Dark Knight thing in here. Really guys, it's difficult because I'm holding a flashlight and a camera and I don't know how to hold it. So I'm like just gonna stand this camera first. God, he is here. He have a present again. Can you show us?
I have a present again. It's a short. Then some pants from Saudi. So excited with this one because I think this is.
Hey Dad, say hi to the vlog, Dad. Dad, say hi to the vlog.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Cool.
It's different from the first one.
Yeah. It's like to say they have the same scent, but
Zboy is not gonna plug anymore. I just want to say, follow me on Instagram, guys, because I have no really, not really as my brother's followers. Shit, what is that? Maybe it's some kind of airplane in it. Maybe some. Maybe. So yeah, guys. Jury's MNTBN. Yeah.
I have my parfum.
Say to the camera. Don't kiss the camera. Singutan ni mo yun eh. Asa ba ko na ako kuno eh. Hulo eh. Humot siya eh. I like the smell of it, but it's so really like it's for men's perfume. Humot kayo siya eh.
Love these both of them. Kung ano sa dad? Lisura na dyan. Di na magkikasaligan karton town.
Ay, so?
Di na magkikasaligan karton town.
Bye! So we're gonna end the vlog in here. We should get out, Zboy. Look at this.
Why? Lagay mo mag...
Hi
guys, it's zboymntbn. The video is done. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to like and subscribe. Tweet me at zboymntbn and